கம்ஃபர்ட்டபிளா இருக்காது. அப்படி பிடிங்க. இப்படி பிடிக்கோ. ஓகே. ஓகே. Sure.
What's up guys, how are you doing? So today actually one of my friend is shifting from his room to his new house. Actually he bought a new house and he's shifting, so let's go and see how he's shifting and all that, and we'll see his house, also new house, and I'll show you a couple of other things as well. Chalo. This is your dining? Looking so good, man. So basically here is a washer and dryer, or I might be wrong. So this is washer and that is dryer, something like that. And this is the clothes, this is the rack they have given. And I think the AC and all those things will be here. Yes. Let's open it again. AC stuffs and all here. क्या गंदा घर दिखा रहे हैं? अब देखो क्या गंदा क्या है इस बंदे ने. In US you'll get pani puri also, like this. Packet pani puri. Everything you'll get in US if you throw money. That's it. And this is the microwave. Sarji. Wow, bodybuilding stuff. Oh, he's doing pizza. Cheese pizza. Frozen cheese pizza. Okay. Fridge and there are Coca-Colas. A lot of stuff. And this is the balcony, and where they are there's a Bose speaker. Oh my god, that is an awesome speaker actually. And this is one bedroom. So this is the bedroom basically. I'll just go back and show you. This is the one bedroom. And this is bathroom here. And this is a closet, and where you keep all your stuffs here, like clothes. You can keep almost everything here. So this is all about, and we are vacating this one, and I will. That's all for now, and I will show you his new house, and we'll just keep watching. Keep watching. I will be showing you the new house. And new house looks really awesome. Take care. Oh my god, the wood went inside. Oh my god. Oh, Pianna. When you're okay, right? Sudhana? Yeah. Oh my god. Sure. Oh my gosh. Such a big one, man.
No, man.
Tiny? Oh.
You captured the moment?
I captured the moment.
I love this.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. This is Rashmi Ranjana. Hi, this is Ranjan.
So finally I have reached here, and the car is also coming. So these people also came. So this is the house, and that is the garage. So we're going to unload everything here, and this is the house. You can see here. Oh my gosh. Nobody is seeing you, so you don't have to show anything. Okay. Okay. What the helper is doing inside? The helper is not coming out and helping? Motivating? Now we are. Helper is enjoying. It is Ford car, huh? Oh. Helper is not helping? While pulling it back, you should be helping, right?
I didn't get you.
Ah. So the unloading is in progress.
This is good.
ఏదో ఒకటి జరుగుతుంది ఖచ్చితంగా అంటే ప్యాకింగ్ సరిగ్గా లేకపోతే డెఫినెట్లీ
Oh, Bose speaker. अरे Bose speaker का ये कहाँ पे है? उसका Bose speaker का where आपके पास है पावर केबल? Oh, it's so heavy, man. Finally, everything is over. So they are still taking that table inside. Let's go inside and see. So you have become famous today, huh?
Obviously, it is not today, every day.
Sudanna?
Yes.
So this is the dining area or the kids play area basically. And I'll start from the beginning. So while you are entering from there, so you enter from this way. So these are the lights, solar lights. You can see the solar lights. So they light in the night time. Yes, so I like it. So they're really good. So this is the hall. This is the hall basically. And if you go in this way. Okay, before I go ahead, this is basically heating area for the winter time. And here is the puja, small puja thing they're doing. And this is the bedroom. This is the master bedroom. It's a big master bedroom. Wow. And if you open it, see the balcony. It's a big balcony. And let's, I don't know. Yes. Big balcony. The closet, everything they have here, and these are the bathroom. I don't want to get into that. This is another bathroom, and this is probably a closet which I don't want to open. This is another closet, and this is again a big room over here. And let's get into this room. So this is another room, and I think that is a bathroom or closet probably. Oh, that's a closet. That looks like a closet. And moving on. So this is the gym area. So in the home there is home gym. And there's a small room on the side, and here you can see balcony. So that is pretty much here. And there is some backyard. I don't think I'll be going there. But anyways. Water meter you said? Back up. Boundary is there actually. Here this area is boundary. Wire? You can cut these trees, huh? Oh. So they made a lot of food. Ria made a lot of food. See, rice. I don't eat chicken and she made chicken because today is Saturday. I don't eat. And for me it's paneer and dal. And the person who is going to eat is Sudanna. I don't know why he is eating always. That's okay.
दाल भी है, चिकन तो आपको देंगे।
बस
Coming video, paneer is your favorite.
Paneer is my favorite, yes.
दाल
It's full protein.
दाल सर आपको कहाँ चाहिए? साइड में?
No, ऊपर ही डालना.
ऊपर. Yeah, give in middle, bro. I also eat in middle one.
Thank you, sir.
घी लेंगे थोड़ा?
घी डाल दिया.
You want घी?
ये आंध्रा स्टाइल ना, आंध्रा स्टाइल घी. चलो पहली बार रिया के हाथ से बनाए हुए खाना खा रहे हैं. It's good, man. Really good. Paneer is so soft, man. How did you make it? But Anna didn't have chicken. Why? Really? I don't know.
Oh, you guys are eating nice chicken.
Your chicken, huh?
When did you do?
When did you bring it?
Now also it's come home for food.
No.
Thank you, Riya. Thanks a lot. Really good.
American.
So how is eating like with a spoon?
No, I'm not eating.
Eat bro. I'm giving you. No, I will. आपके लिए देखिए bro.